Takeaway materials are a great way to show off your marketing prowess and build your brand at every open house. Prepare a professional brochure that shows your branded style and content. Present important information about the house and the neighborhood. Include beautiful, high-quality images of the house. The brochure can also include a place for buyers to take notes. Make sure that your contact information is prominent and accessible. Provide credible and useful information that positions you as an expert resource. For example, create a glossary of terms to help both first-time buyers and those who haven't been in the market for a while. Include a sheet with key neighborhood information like details on local schools, grocery stores, restaurants, and the home's walk score. And don't forget to address current buyer concerns like the best cell phone carrier for area coverage, which can be very important in hilly, mountainous, and coastal areas. Also consider creating some handouts to help buyers navigate the financial and legal aspects of home buying, such as a mortgage loan breakdown, lender information, and legally required disclosures. Go over the takeaway piece with each attendee as they leave, encouraging them to take a look later when they have time for a proper review.